Everyone, hello there. I want to show you my pambahay outfit for today. Ayun guys, it's very hot here in the Philippines. Ang init ngayon guys. Now, I need to put a lotion. Ayan. Kasi ang init dito guys. Super init sa loob ng bahay. I feel so hot and dry. Nagda-dry yung aking skin guys because of the temperature is very hot. Hot. Ayan. Ang sobrang init guys. Sarap mag-swimming, mag-beach. Ayan. Sarap mag-beach guys. And I wanna show you this. Ayan, ito yung mga nabili ko guys. Simple fashion of mine. Ayan, I love this. I really love this guys. A lot of ponytails. Ayan, I love the blue color, the red color, and this one, the green color, the pink color, and the green color. Ayan, the green color. Ayan, ito lang guys. I'm so happy with this. Ayan, ito lang guys yung aking mga fashion. Ayan, o diba ang ganda? Ang ganda niyan guys. Ayan, ito pa oh. Ayan, I really love ponytails guys. Ayan, kasi ayan, I love fashion. Ayan, pag naka-red ako guys, ang susuotin ko ay red. Ayan, pag naka-red dress ako ito. And then, pag naka-blue dress ako ito naman. Ayan, partner yun siya guys. And then, pag naka-green ako, green dress, ito din. At saka yung pink natin. O diba? I really love this. My fashion. Ayan, ang ganda nito guys. Ayan. For only 30 pesos. 30 each guys. It's very affordable. I really love it. Ayan, I'm so happy guys. For only 120 pesos. For only 120 pesos guys. Ayan. Meron na akong pang fashion. I really love it. Ayan, o diba? Ang ganda. Ayan. May pang fashion na ako guys. Ayan. Every time na lalabas ako guys, wearing a dress, ayan, meron akong pang partner na ponytail. Ponytail guys. Ayan. Ito aking mga nabili yesterday. And ayan, ito yung akong binili nung the last time guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan. O diba? Ang ganda niya guys. For only 30 pesos. I really love the ano guys, the ponytail. Ayan, ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. My pambahay outfit for today because it's so hot here in the Philippines. So that's it for today guys. I really love my outfit.